Douglas argues that most traders focus on the wrong things, like technical analysis or trying to predict the market. He says that the real key to successful trading is having the right mental approach. Does that sound right to you? What did you think of trading?
Yeah, I think it's very important book that any trader should look up to. What do you suggest?
It's definitely a classic in the trading world. The focus on mindset and psychology is super important, and not a lot of books really emphasize that. Do you want to talk about a specific idea from the book? Welcome to Market Masters, the podcast where we talk about trading and all things related to the markets. Today, we're diving into the classic book, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book's a legend, known for completely changing the way people think about trading. We'll be breaking down the book's key ideas and sharing our thoughts throughout. How's that?
Wow, that's cool.
What's the very first thing that jumped out at you when you started reading Trading in the Zone?
Like some kind of trading strategies.
So, it sounds like you were expecting some specific trading strategies when you started reading. Is that right?
Yes. So can we start reviewing the chapter 1 of the book? What do you think the chapter 1 is talking about? What are the key important things to look at?
The zone.
Okay, yeah, you can answer my question. Continue.
So,
yes, I think mental approach to the game of trading is the key concept that one should be able to uphold.
the book really drives home the point that All right, let's talk about that. The book emphasizes that a trader's mindset is really what separates the good from the great. It's about things like controlling your emotions, staying disciplined, and having realistic expectations. Do you agree that mindset is the biggest factor in trading success?
Yeah, I really agree to that because I'm once a victim. So what I would like to ask you, can you bring a particular scenario that can suit this particular perspective?
Let's say you're about to enter a trade and you have a gut feeling it's going to be a big. All right, so here's the thing about that gut feeling. Sometimes it's right, but other times it can lead you astray. The book is all about finding a way to trade without letting those feelings take over. How about this? Let's come up with a specific situation where a trader might get emotional, and then we can talk about how the book suggests dealing with it.
Yes, maybe you can bring that up.
Common scenario. You've been in a losing streak, and you're starting to feel really frustrated. You might start taking bigger risks or trading more aggressively just to try to get your money back. Does that sound familiar?
Sure. I have had such experience, and my friends also did.
It's a really common experience. When you're down, it's easy to start making emotional decisions instead of sticking to your plan. The book really emphasizes that you need a strategy for dealing with those losing streaks. Maybe we should talk more about what the book suggests for getting through those tough times.
Yes, maybe can you point out some key things the book suggested?
All right, so the book talks about a few things for dealing with those losing streaks. First off, it's really important to have a plan before you even start trading that way. You have rules to follow when things aren't going your way. They also talk about the importance of taking breaks. Sometimes stepping away from the markets for a bit can help you clear your head. You can always go back and read those sections of the book if you want more details.